Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza. First, let's start with the foundation, the dough. Begin by combining 1 1/4 cups of warm water with 1 packet of active dry yeast and a pinch of sugar. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then, mix in 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Knead this mixture for about 7 minutes until it is smooth and elastic. Finally, let the dough rise in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time to assemble your pizza masterpiece. Gently punch down the dough and roll it out to your preferred thickness and shape, whether round or rectangular. Next, spread a thin, even layer of your favorite pizza sauce across the dough, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Then, generously sprinkle shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Finally, arrange your chosen toppings evenly across the pizza, ensuring every bite is delicious. Now, let's talk about preparing your pizza for later enjoyment, making it truly pre-made. You have 2 main options. For a pre-baked crust, bake the dough alone for 5 to 7 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it completely before adding toppings. Alternatively, to freeze a fully assembled pizza, flash freeze it on a baking sheet for about 1 hour until solid. Once frozen, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, and then in aluminum foil for long-term storage. Finally, it's time to cook and enjoy your delicious homemade pizza. Preheat your oven to a hot 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your fresh or frozen pizza directly onto a hot pizza stone or baking sheet. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and slightly browned. Once cooked, let the pizza rest for about 5 minutes before slicing and serving. This allows the cheese to set, preventing it from sliding off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.